For bighorn sheep, the Badlands are the perfect mix of protective fortress and giant playpen. The flock is brimming with lambs, with no apparent fear of heights. This female was born with all the climbing gear she needs, but she still has to learn how to use it. She's encouraged to start climbing, even though one false move could send her tumbling hundreds of feet. Just weeks after birth, these lambs already look like experts. Sure-footed, agile, and fearless. But the Badlands are treacherous. Despite their confidence, not every jump goes to plan. Suddenly, this nursery is missing a lamb. She's fallen down a canyon and has a serious wound on her back. Badlands rock shears like rough sandpaper. The lamb's inexperience shows. She's going down where she should be climbing up. As the sun goes down, she finds herself alone. The lamb survives the night. While rocky peaks offer safety,